First disconnect all power sources, then remove the heating plate casing. Use a screwdriver to remove the 4 screws. And loosen the screws to remove the input and output lines. Next, unplug the signal cable. Press the spring pad on its surface to pull it out. It is forbidden to pull it out directly, otherwise the port will be deformed and damaged. Finally, remove the 4 screws holding the heating plate in place. Next is to install the new heating plate. First, fix the 4 screws on the edge of the heating plate. Note the direction of the signal line when installing. Its raised position is upward. Then install the white wire. They do not distinguish between positive and negative poles, just secure them with screws. Then install the red and blue wires on the input end. Red connects L port. Blue connects to N port. Install the enclosure after fixing the wiring. Some machines have voltage detection modules when installing the shell. Be careful to put the module and the shell back together. Avoid pinching wires during installation. After completing the installation, power on and test.